The moment you get this realization, you will be able to delete that worrisome thought right there. Namaste everyone, this is Roshni Shanaz, your spiritual well-being guide. Welcome to Fit Up. Today we are going to discuss on simple ways to combat worry and delete the worrisome thoughts that engulf us all the time. Chinta se mukti. Let us first begin by chanting a beautiful calming chant, Soham, for today. Soham in Sanskrit means I am, she, he, that. In the Vedic sense, it means identifying oneself with the universe or the cosmic reality. This mantra is done with a deeper focus on the breath, on the prana, on the swas, because it is connected to the processes of inhale and exhale as we connect to our very own existence. So the way to do it, you start focusing on your breath with inhale and exhale. And as your focus gets steadier onto the breath, you start saying in your mind, so with every inhale and hum with every exhale. So hum. So hum. And that is the way to do this mantra. Once you maintain the rhythm of the so and hum, contemplate in your mind's eye, in your third eye, in your heart center, that you are one with the ultimate reality. You are the universe. So close your eyes and get settled to begin the chant. Calm yourself, slow down your thoughts, take a few deep breaths just to center yourself like every time. And when the rhythm sets in, just contemplate. I am that I am. I am that I am. So we begin. Breathe in. So. Exhale. Hum. Breathe in. So. Exhale. Hum. Breathe in. So. Exhale. Hum. I am that I am. I am that I am. I am that I am. Take a full deep breath. Count till 5 and slowly open your eyes. Hope these mantras you are practicing every single day of your life. If you bring them about in your daily existence, you will see a drastic difference and transformation. Every problem has a solution. So if a problem is not accompanied by a solution, then there is no problem at all. So जब कोई भी problem आए, the first thing instead of worrying, let us do to try and find its solution. If you are unable to find its solution or even go towards thinking of a solution, then the worry treadmill is keeping you on the spot. So here are some ways to control these thoughts first of worries and then slowly eliminate them from your life. With these ways, you will be able to cope up with uncertainty of life, as I said in the last episode, which is the crux of all worrisome thoughts. These will also help you in adjusting your mindset, which is the most important thing. It is this monkey mind, ye chanchal man, which creates all the chinta in our life. It is like this huge, the Mahabharata chariot with all the horses around. It is each horse running in a different direction. those are our thoughts. एक चिंता यहाँ पे, एक चिंता वहां पे, एक चिंता यहाँ जा रही है, दूसरी उधर भाग रही है. But it is the Sarthi. It is the person controlling the reins in our hands that is going to control the mindset, to control this chanchalta of the mind, which is going in several directions. So we have to be that perfect Sarthi to control the mind. And these ways, when you incorporate in your life, is going to help you exactly do that. So spiritual tip number 1, draw a list of things and write on the right hand side of that list what is in your control and what is out of control. In your control, out of control. In your control, out of control. Make that entire list. The things that are in your control will be governed by any of those 4 things जो मैंने share की थी. Intentions you create, thoughts you think of, words that you speak, and actions that you do. Things that are not in your control. Is digestion in your control? Is gulping what you're eating in your control? Is excretion in your control? Nothing. Do you worry about it every single day? No, because you know you are wired and you are conditioned that it is not in your control. तो उसी तरह से अगर उन चीजों पे तुम create this contemplation, it's not in my control, वो मेरे हाथ में ही नहीं है. तो जब हाथ में ही नहीं है, why would I worry? The moment you get this perspective, the moment you get this realization, you will be able to delete that worrisome thought right there. So when worrisome thoughts come, even after you make the list, the moment you get it, first thing, is it in my control, out of control? In my control, okay, what can I do with it? What are the intentions that I make that will change it? What are the thoughts that I think that will convert this worry into a solution? What are the words that I can speak to myself to affirm a positive mindset? What are the human actions that I can do that will change this worrisome thought into a solutionable reality? जो चीज फिर out of control है, even try to reason that down if you want to. क्योंकि जब तुम्हारे control में ही नहीं है, तो what is it that you are going to do? For example, there are so many friends and clients जो worried है, my son doesn't listen to me. वो मैं जो कहता हूँ वो करता नहीं है, वो करती नहीं है. And they are constantly worried about their children's lives. But what is that worry going to do? The child is not going to listen. What you can do is change your actions towards the children. What you can do is live by the actions. Imagine a parent telling a child, ऐसे माँ बाप से बात नहीं करते. Don't shout at parents like this. How dare you talk to your mom like this? और फिर रात को वो अपने सास, ससुर या मम्मी डैडी से ऐसे ही चिल्लम चिल्ली करके बात करते हैं. Children don't listen. Children only see. They follow your actions. So, release these unnecessary worries and see where your actions and words need to be changed so that you can delete some of these out of control situations from your life. Spiritual tip number 2. Challenge the uncertainty of that worry. Worry agar hai, to postpone it to another time for contemplation, which means, abhi I don't want to worry. No, I have to focus on the work. I will take out a worry time for this. But instead of worrying, what actually you will do is contemplating. Contemplating means thinking over the thing, the situation, the circumstance, and trying to see what can I do differently so that this can show different results. When you are doing that, you are actually fooling the mind by procrastinating the worry. तो mind को ऐसा लगेगा that you are pushing it for another time, but you are going to worry ultimately. So when you start practicing this, it will help you slowly to move away from worries. Spiritual tip number 3, accept and embrace this uncertainty of life. That you will not have all the answers all the time, and it is all right. You may not immediately have a solution, but the moment that you are walking towards a solution, you are killing the worry. जैसे मैंने last time कहा था, that We are planning our life, we are planning our programs, we are planning that schools will open, we are planning the holiday, jab pandemic khatam ho jayega and everything will be all right. Again, this will happen, that will happen, right? We are planning. So why are we planning? We are planning because we have that innate faith and hope. So I want you to move ahead with that deep, inherent, intrinsic faith and hope in your life so that you can kill and destroy all the worry that has been eating you up. Instead, rejoice that time with your loved ones, bond with your loved ones, and celebrate what all blessings you already have. The very last spiritual tip is to give gratitude, which actually is the first key to everything. But because when you are engulfed with worries, gratitude to aayegi nahi. So let it be the last tip. That after you've taken care of all these things, bring in gratitude for all the blessings of your life and give gratitude that all the worries are released and you are letting it go into the light forever and ever. Isse you will start focusing on the present moment. The present is called the present because it is the gift of life. The fears of the past and fears of the future create worry and more suffering. So let go of this self-created suffering and promise yourself that you will stop worrying. I hope these videos are helping you. Please put them into action with these little exercises and chanting that we do every week. And I truly hope that you are slowly and steadily building up your spiritual immunity, which in turn is going to build up your physical, mental and emotional immunity as well. So keep watching Fit Tak, subscribe to the channel, and until we meet again, stay blessed, loved and protected in love and light and super duper Godspeed.